This tutorial will teach you how to make a cute zipper hip pouch that can also double as a belt. You can print out the free pattern that I made by following the link in the description below. Start by putting the back together. Place the 9-inch zipper face down on the upper bag back and sew along the edge. Then press the zipper away from the fabric. Now I'm going to place the zipper and the upper back face down on the lower back and sew along the edge. Then you'll press the zipper away so that now it is sandwiched between the upper and lower back pieces. Now you want to baste the zipper back to the back of the bag. Baste them around the perimeter. Next, you want to baste the straps to the side of the back, right around the sides of the zipper. Now we'll get the side of the bag ready. Place the 13-inch zipper face down on one zipper band piece and sew it in place. And then do the same thing for the other side of the zipper band. Then you will sew the lower band to the zipper band along the short edges to create a loop. Then you will sew the side band to the front of the bag and then the back of the bag with right sides together. Make sure that the belting is inside of the bag and does not get caught in the stitching. You'll also want to make sure the zipper is partially open for this part so that you'll be able to turn it to the right side through the zipper. Now let's get the slider and buckle onto the belting. First, add the slider onto the strap. Then add the buckle onto the strap. Bring the strap around through the slider again. And then you're going to sew the tail of the strap around the slider. This will make it so that you can adjust the size of your belt of the hip bag. You're going to do that for both sides of the buckle. And after you've done that, you're finished. You have a new belt and hip pack.